Deep in the tropical forests and forest edges of South and Southeast Asia lives one of the most iconic and formidable reptiles on Earth, the King Cobra. This is the world's longest venomous snake. Scientifically known as Ophiophagus hana, it can reach over 5 meters in length. That's longer than a giraffe is tall. Some individuals have been recorded at 5.8 meters. But size is just the beginning. The king cobra is what scientists call an ophiophagus, a snake eater. It hunts other snakes, including highly venomous ones. That makes it a key predator in its ecosystem, a regulator, keeping reptile populations in check. Now let's talk about the venom. It's a powerful neurotoxic cocktail, delivered through long fixed fangs. One single bite can inject enough venom to kill an elephant, or up to 20 adult humans. The nervous system shuts down fast. Respiratory failure follows. And yet, despite all of that, king cobras are surprisingly shy. They prefer to avoid humans entirely. Aggression only comes when they're cornered or protecting their nest. When threatened, they rise up to 1/3 of their body length. Sometimes that puts them eye level with a standing person. They flare that iconic narrow hood, and they let out a deep, resonant hiss. That hiss is a warning, not an attack. Not yet. Here's something most people don't know about king cobras. They're dedicated parents. The female builds a large nest mound, layering leaves and vegetation with care. She lays between 20 and 50 eggs. Then she guards that nest fiercely for the entire 2-month incubation period. For a snake, that's extraordinary. And it works. More offspring survive because of it. Now, sharing that same habitat is another remarkable animal. The mongoose, small, agile, and sharp as a tack. Mongooses are famous worldwide for one thing, taking on venomous snakes and winning. And that reputation is completely earned. Here's why. Their reflexes are almost impossibly fast. Fast enough to dodge a strike that would kill most other animals outright. Their fur is thick. Their skin is tough. Physical protection that actually matters in a fight. But the real advantage? It's biological. Their nervous system carries specialized acetylcholine receptors. In plain terms, they have a built-in partial resistance to neurotoxic venom, the kind king cobras carry. So combine that resistance with bold, calculated tactics. Darting in, targeting the head, wearing the snake down through exhaustion, and what looks like a mismatched fight becomes a calculated win for the mongoose. In the wild, these two species do cross paths. Near burrows, near water sources, wherever mongooses raise young and cobras move through hunting. And every encounter is a reminder of something powerful. Nature's balance. Predator versus predator. Each one perfectly shaped by millions of years of evolution. When you find both king cobras and mongooses in the same ecosystem, that's a sign of genuine biodiversity. A healthy world doing what it's supposed to do. But both species are under threat. Habitat loss. Human conflict. The pressures are real. Which is why what we do today matters.